How to connect VR to Minecraft PS5. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to play Minecraft in VR on your PlayStation 5. Even though Minecraft doesn't support PS5 VR natively, I'll show you a simple method using the PS4 version of the game and a PSVR headset. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the PS4 version of Minecraft. If you have the disc version, insert the PS4 Minecraft disc into your PS5. If you own the digital version, download the PS4 edition from your gaming library. Step 2. Set up your PSVR on PS5. Connect your PSVR headset to the PS5 using the PS camera adapter. Plug in the PS camera and all required cables. Make sure the DualShock 4 controller is charged and ready. Step 3. Enable VR mode in Minecraft. Launch Minecraft. Put on your PSVR headset. The game should automatically switch to VR mode. Step 4. Adjust VR settings. In-game, press Options, Settings and VR Settings. You can choose between Immersive mode or Living Room mode. For the best VR experience, I recommend Immersive mode. And that's it. Now you know how to play Minecraft in VR using your PlayStation 5 and PSVR headset. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.